Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's really nice to see you back again. Today I'd like to show you something pretty cool. The number one or the main reason that I hear from beginners, the main complaint that I hear from beginner pianists, if not the number one reason, is that they can't use both hands. They're okay with, you know, playing with one hand, but when it comes to the second hand, adding that hand, it just wouldn't sync together. I mean, I hear this time and time again. That's the number one complaint from beginner pianists, especially the left hand. Well, today I'm going to show you some tricks you can use to play with both hands, even from day one, that if you use those tricks in a very, very short space of time, you will start using both hands. Short space of time that will surprise you. I'm not talking about months, I'm talking about right from the start. Let's go. So, sometimes you hear people playing songs like, and you're wondering how are they getting both hands going? Or even you hear something jazzy like, and then you're wondering how does that coordination happen? How is that person able to keep maintaining that rhythm and playing that bass line at the same time? I'm going to show you this technique. So basically what's happening is little combinations of rhythms added together. And we're going to break down those rhythms in chunks. And by the time you master those rhythms with both hands, you will be able to play. Trust me, just stick with me on this one. So the first exercise we're going to do is I want you to place both hands this way, okay? And that's your right hand, that's your left hand, and I want you to do a beat of 4 with your right hand. So we're tapping 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's easy to do. Okay. So you keep doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. While you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, I want you to tap on 1. I want you to tap your left hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that. Make sure you could do that very well. And then we're moving to the next stage. So next we're going to do same thing, 2, 3, 4. But on the left hand, we're doing 1 and 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, simple. Next thing we're going to do same thing, and then we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trust me, what I'm teaching you now, it might look boring, but I'm telling you, I've had much success with this way of teaching people how to play with both hands from day one. Stick with me. So again, we're going to keep the 4-beat going here, and we're going to do 1, 2, and 4 on the left hand. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, after you've done that part, I want you to move from tapping with your palm to fingers. Okay, so now we're going to use fingers. It doesn't matter which key you press, but just use your fingers. And it also doesn't matter which finger you use, but just use any finger. Preferably, you can use your index finger. That's that's the easiest one at the moment. Okay, so we're doing the same thing with the fingers. So let's do C just for clarity. You don't have to go that fast. You can do it slowly. I advise you to do it slowly. So the next thing we're going to do is, rather than this being 4 beats, we're going to make it 8 beats. So Previously, we were doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do, in that same cycle, 8 notes. We're going to press 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the left hand, we're going to maintain the 4-beat. I'll show you what I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You notice that the right hand is going faster than the left hand. That's because the right hand is going on an 8-beat and the left hand is keeping that 4-beat going on. So the left hand is going 1, 2. But in that same time space, the right hand would have pressed 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're gonna have to learn to practice that. Don't worry, it might seem boring. Keep practicing that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can go on and on with different combinations. Another combination is you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the left hand, you can do 1, 2, 1, 2. So the first 2 notes is on a count of 4. So it's 1, 2. And the next 2 is doing 1, 2. Okay, I'll show you how. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you do that, you can switch hands as well. You can do what I'm doing for the right hand on the left hand. Don't forget to go slowly, okay? You don't have to go that fast. Start slowly. Now the next one I'm going to show you is alternating the notes one after the other. So you can go that's easy to do. Sure. Now this is where the tricky part comes in. While you're doing that, on the left hand, every now and then you play 2. Let's do it together. Now, if you're a drummer or you play an instrument that's rhythm focused, it's the same concept. We're actually exploiting rhythms and we're breaking it down. You know, we're getting somewhere with this when what we're doing. We're actually going through a journey and we're building up those skills bit by bit. And by the end of this, in a few minutes, you'll see where we're going. So now after that, you can now add this to it. And you can add your own pattern. The more you add different patterns to different rhythms, 4-beat here, 8-beat here, and you keep, different combinations, the better you're going to get. And here's the last one. Notice I'm doing prolonged and then a tap. Prolonged, tap, prolonged, tap, prolonged, tap. Don't forget to try different combinations. Now, if we go back to what we did earlier, which was and also there's this one as well. Guess what? If you had mastered those two that I just showed you now, all you need to do is to translate that into the correct keys, and you will be able to play this song. You see that? It's the same rhythm being used in that song. And guess what? The song is absolutely beautiful, as simple as it is. So it's then and that tap and hold that I showed you just now, where you're tapping on the right and holding on the left. It's the same rhythm that I used to play that jazz riff in the beginning. You see where I'm going with this? Once you master these exercises and you do them every day, the only thing you need to do is to know the notes of the song you want to play. And once you find out the rhythm, for example, you know that's a tap and hold. And you can, before you attempt the song, you can tap. No, that's the other way around. And once you master this, the next thing you need to know are the keys. So what I'm doing is a minor and on the C. That's a C minor scale. And all you need to know is all I'm doing is, and then, and I'm maintaining that C minor chord. That's it. So I'm holding and I'm tapping here. And I'm doing that. Remember? And you can use that for any song. Just know what the rhythm entails, practice that, and then bring that to that song and play it in the right keys. And I'm going to quickly show you a last one for a very popular song that you know. And what song is that? See? So know the rhythm first. For that song, it's 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't bother playing that yet. Just tap that. And what's going on the right hand? Something like that. And then what you need to do is now try and combine the two together slowly at first. This goes on that way. Ba, ba, ba. Do that one first. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. And the next one is 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's slow that down. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's combine it now. So the first one is 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3. Let's add them together now. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Slow down. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3. 1 2. So let's start again. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 3. So that's the first part of that song, and then there are minor differences when you go further into the song. But that's how you break a song's rhythm down to know what's going on and being able to play with both hands. By the time you start practicing different patterns, tapping and then trying to figure out, take a song, for example, and try and figure out the rhythm patterns. Keep tapping that, keep doing that, and then try and figure out the notes and play. You will find out it is much, much easier and faster to be able to do that and learn that song using both hands, syncing both hands, than any other traditional way that I know. Try different combinations, make up combinations of your own, give it a try. Start slowly and get good at it. Gradually increase the speed, get good at it. And by the way, I play all of my songs by ear. If you'd like to know how I can hear a song and play it on the keyboard after a few tries, then click the link below and see what's in my course. I teach you with my unique way of teaching beginners how to hear and play a song right from the beginning, assuming you don't know anything. It's for you. And if you know a little bit as well, you can benefit from it. So click the link, watch a video which is free. That video shows you everything you need to know in that program. It shows you the modules, the lessons. You have access to me. You can ask me questions. You can be one-on-one with me. You can learn directly from me. It's a brilliant course for beginners, trust me. I've seen good results from my students, my youngest being 10 and my oldest being in their 60s. So have a look at it and see if it's the right fit for you. Thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate you sticking with me. Keep practicing. All you need is 15 to 20 minutes every day. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like what I've shown you today. Share, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how you get along.